about Is Safari via Facebook on my page. It popped up and I decided I should try it, and I decided why not.
They have posted quite a number of places they have visited, and there is one that caught my eye, and that was the Ngare Ndare.
I came to know about Is My Safari through a friend, and I've traveled with them severally,
and I've gone with them for 3 trips.
Today was my first day to take a hike, a road trip. I'm happy about it because from my pickup point, it was okay. I was picked up at the right time. The journey was cool, and up to this place, I enjoyed.
I don't regret it. Has been awesome, especially the swimming part. Beautiful. The water was clear, cold vizuri, very nice. The walk awesome. The range was amazing. It was really good.
It was enjoyable.
My favorite one so far has been the Sagana waterfall.
I like the hiking, the swimming in the natural pool, the walking on the nature trail, Canopy. It was nice. The evening was well. The food, I met new friends.
We personally have enjoyed the day, and I cannot regret it at any time. Given an opportunity, we can do this tomorrow, despite the cold water in the pool, in the natural pool, of which I've never been into deep waters, but today I got into water. The canopy walk, oh, it was another thing, marvelous. I've been scared of heights, but today I gave it a shot. I was the first person, and I can say it was quite good.
And I'll be back again soon. You'll be seeing more of me sana tena sana tena sana.
I would advise you to travel with Is My Safari because it has been fun. The food especially is good, and yeah, it's a nice company. They've been meeting my expectations. That's why I've been a regular with them. So yeah, please join us.
I'm looking forward for more adventure times with Is My Safari. And as you can see, I've been gifted with my Is My Safari t-shirt. Thank you to you guys.
Team has done a good job being guided, being shown what to do, and of course the photography itself, it was something else.
The serving was excellent from the beginning up to now to the end. It was spectacular. Everything was just wow.
Thanks, Easy Safaris. God bless you, and you will go places with your humbleness and good conduct.
I pray that God to continue blessing you so that the Is My Safari grows big and big, then take us far.